Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. And in this video, I want to talk to you about honestly why I think these language processing AIs like ChatGPT are, they pose some serious, they have some serious implications when it comes to what the future of the internet is going to look like. Because the current state of the internet has been shaped by the dynamic of search engines parsing websites in order to to show up in search results, right? And if I have a website or if I have some sort of data and there's no incentive for me to publish that data, if I'm not going to get found in a search result, it's just going to be parsed by an AI and then referenced, or put into a model. Then why would I publish anything on the site? If it's so, the whole dynamic of how people find your website is going to seriously change in the future. And to be quite frank, that it might be the end of websites. I don't see how, I see every single year websites are going down, 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 and down. I think their current versions are going to have to change, and hopefully for the better. Websites probably will become more like tools and apps, not just for distributing information. And you're going to see all of the low hanging fruit of web content disappear, because if there's no incentive to produce crap content at a low cost, then you're not going to make it, and that incentive is going to be taken away. So in many ways, ChatGPT may, or other sorts of, search or language models and AI chatbots, those are going to take a lot of noise, hopefully, out of the out of the internet. So, but then again, there might be a whole bunch of feedback, right? You may get less noise, but more feedback, right? Which can turn into bigger problems and unseen problems. Like it only takes a little. If you put your microphone next to the speaker, it just takes a little whisper for that to kind of spiral out of control. So those are just my thoughts on the implications of chatbots parsing content and what that means for the future of content publishing on the web. Overall, I think it's a positive. They'll have to figure something out. Not for Google search. Google search. I would look very closely, because there's a reason why. Google has had this software for a long time, and there's a reason why they didn't. I think because they know that it kills search. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.